Hey everybody, Spoonvet here, and this is a quick fix because, well, I like using Blkbuntu, but this gets kind of annoying, of course. So, what we're gonna do is we're going to fix that, and we can fix that in two ways. We can do the easy way and the hard way. So the easy way is to go. Oh, sorry, already starting wrong. archive.blkbuntu.com/patch and fix slash user bash rc. That should be it. Yes. So that's the one for user. So that's for your normal account, but now you need one for your root account. That's the same, but then root bash rc. So I downloaded that with 90 megabytes per second, and the other one with 102. That's pretty. Alright, that's pretty quick. Jesus Christ. So now we have those two, and normally in your account there will be a sorry, that one. There will be a file here, and here it is. It's called .bashrc, and in the ls/root/a. No, of course I cannot do that. Sorry. And here we have in the root directory we have a bash rc. So if we wanna make it so this one overrides that one, we'll do copy, and we'll do user bash rc to bash rc, and that will make it so it will be overwritten. So that's the easy way. We're also going to do the hard way because, well, let's face it, that's just pretty cool. Now I only need to get something for that because I did that in the other machine, so let me just pause it for one moment. Alright, so what you're gonna do is, because we will need this code, so we're gonna open show hidden files, open up our bash.rc, and here we go. Here is a ps1 for prompt, and that needs to become this. So you have this here, and that needs to become that. So just take this whole thing and we'll do it like so. Now, just on the off chance this is wrong, we're going to save this as new for now, and we're gonna back up the old one. Yeah, so we're going to open that one up again, file, save as, the old. Alright, so I'm going to say copy oh, 1 second, being distracted by the fist now. Copy that one to bash rc. Oh, somehow that one came in. That's the one we need. Now hopefully it will do as it should be. Oh no, I have to restart terminal, of course. Restart terminal. Hopefully now it will do as it should do. and it works. So voila, that's it for the code. I would just suggest do the easy way, because otherwise you have to read code from my screen and stuff like that. So just do the easy way, and that's wget archive.blkbuntu.com/patch-fix/user-bash-rc, and then copy that file over your normal bash rc file, and then reload the terminal. So just quit and restart. Now I need to do the same with the root account, so I'm going to do root. Oh, of course, yeah. My root password is different than, yeah, okay, not, never mind. Root, so copy root, oh no, copy root bash rc to root/dot/bash rc backup, no rc, just normal rc. So, and that should fix it, because now it should not be fixed. Oh, it is already fixed. Okay, cool. Oh yeah, because I'm doing the sudo, of course. But now I know it's definitely, yeah, fixed. So everything's fixed, and that's the quick fix for the whole terminal business, because that's really a deal breaker for a lot of people, I think. So, yeah, see you next time.